Hey guys, it's Paige. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing one of my most requested videos, and that is a room tour. You guys have been requesting this ever since I did my school morning routine. It'll be linked down below if you guys haven't seen it already. But anyways, you guys wanted a room tour, so here it is. Really quick, if you guys are new here, you should totally subscribe down below and turn on your post notifications, and yeah. Okay, so as soon as you come in, this is clearly my door. My mom is working the camera right now, so if there's some weird angles, that's why. As soon as you guys come over here in this section, this is where I do all of my makeup and everything. This table and this little drawer compartment thing is all from IKEA. If you guys want an in-depth makeup collection video, comment down below. I get so many questions where this mirror is from, and it is from Bed Bath & Body Works. Right, Mom?
Bed Bath & Beyond.
Bed Bath & Beyond. It also lights up, which is really cool, but it's really glitchy. I don't suggest it. You should definitely get another mirror if you're looking for a cool one. Anyways, then this chair, actually pretty much everything in my room, like all the furniture and everything, is from my grandpa. He used to make furniture when I was like a baby, and my mom and dad had all my furniture made for my room and pretty much the whole house. So that's pretty much where all the furniture from. I know it's not really helpful because I know a lot of you are curious as to where I get all my furniture from. I'm really sorry. But I will totally link dupes down below if I find any. Then over here, this is where I keep all of my perfume and my room sprays. This one's so good. It's from Kai, and it's like really refreshing. Okay. And then also clearly over here is my Polaroid wall. Yeah. I've been making it since I was in like 7th grade, 8th grade. It's taken me a really long time and I haven't finished, but we're not over there in that part of the room. Mom, come back. And this door over here leads to my bathroom, and if you guys want a bathroom tour too, comment down below. I'm not going to show you in here because that's also really messy, and if you guys want a different closet tour, then comment down below. Here's a sneak peek. That's really messy for me. Okay, so then over here we have my hamper. Mom, do you know where this is from?
That is also from Bath Bed & Beyond.
Oh, that's from Bath Bed & Beyond. And over here, this is my nightstand. I like to keep it pretty minimal just because I'm OCD and I'm a freak like that. A few things that I do keep on here are my Polaroids and my Polaroid printer. This is pretty much all I use to make my Polaroid wall, and this is actually really helpful. I got it from Urban Outfitters, and basically just connects to my phone and I can print out all my pictures off it. Then I keep my fan remote and then my phone charger, and this is where my computer usually goes, but my computer is in my car right now.
That's a real safe place
I know,
for it.
I knew you were gonna get mad when I said that. So then over here, this is where my bed is. This is where I sleep pretty much all day. I like to sleep a lot. Pretty much all my bedding is from Vera Wang. Okay, then these little pillows. These are my favorite. They're actually the softest, like cushiest pillows ever. I got them from Sautel.
Looks like an angry dog.
Oh, hey, that's not nice. Then this is Fluffy. I've had Fluffy since I was like a baby, and yeah, he's really cute. And over here we have my bench. My grandpa made this again. I'm sorry guys, I'm actually the worst, but this is where I just kind of chill out and hang with my friends, and yeah. Also, I keep my bag that I use every day, and currently it's this one. I know it's like kind of expensive, but I get a lot of use out of it, and I literally wear it every day. Then over here I have another bedside table, and it's pretty minimal just like the other one, but I keep all my jewelry in this box right here. And then I keep my Beats pill just to like turn on music and everything. This is my mirror. This is actually not just a mirror, there's a closet behind it. And over here I have a coat rack, and this is pretty much where I just keep all my other bags that I'm not using at the moment, but I still use them all the time. I kind of just switch off and stuff. Yeah, then this is the rest of my Polaroid wall. Don't look at the corner, guys. I haven't finished. Don't look. But that's pretty much it, guys. That is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you guys want a closet tour, a bathroom tour, or a makeup collection video, comment down below. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. My mom's definitely gonna screw this up because she's filming. Oh, there she goes. Dad literally always makes fun of my laugh. Don't zoom it. Stop. I can tell when you're zooming it. Oh my god.